here. So today I will be building a plant terrarium. This is actually for a friend of mine. It's her birthday today and she is into plants just the way I am, and I'm sure she'll appreciate this little gift. Now for a plant terrarium you will need a glass jar. You will need some sort of a drainage. I use gravel. You'll need potting soil. Now this is a landscape mesh, and you can use like another type of mesh. This is basically to separate your drainage from the potting soil so they kind of don't mix. And if you'd like, you can use some sort of wood. This is just a piece of driftwood I found a long time ago, and it was just sitting on the shelf, but I think it's very, very pretty. I'm going to use some moss. This is just a sheet moss. You can buy it in bags. And as for the tools, you'll need a spade, some scissors, a brush. This is to brush off any soil off the plants while you're working it in building your plant terrarium. You need a marker to mark out the size of the jar on your landscape fabric, and chopsticks. I love using chopsticks for everything, especially for the plant terrarium. You can kind of, it's hard to get your hands in there, but you can get the chopsticks in there very easily. Now for the plants, I have Frosty Fern. This is a plant that likes really, really high humidity, so it's a perfect one for terrarium. And I have a little Begonia Rex. It has little red leaves, adds some color without flowers, but still color. And this is a creeping fig. I actually had this one in another terrarium that I have here, and I just pulled some of it out. It could get aggressive, like I've seen in Florida, like the creeping figs covering like some walls, but it's more subdued in a smaller space. So it's very gated type and it's very pretty. I think it's going to be a really great combination. So this is it. The plant terrarium is done. And the care for this plant terrarium is basically to open up the top if there's too much condensation, which means I probably watered it too much. But if there's just the right amount of water in this jar, you don't really have to do anything. It's going to create its own watering cycle, so the condensation will form and then it will fall back into the soil. So another thing, I did pack it with plants really well because I do want it to present really nicely right now. It's a birthday present. So she might have to cut them back a little bit, maybe in the year or so. But other than that, this is it. Maybe add some fertilizer, and this is pretty much it. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.